Real estate investment trusts. Now, if you're new to investing, a real estate investment trust invests in real estate. That's it. So you as an investor can benefit from the income generated from things like shopping malls, office buildings, hospitals, assisted living facilities. Generally speaking, these types of investments are used for income, so we kind of put them in the value category. We don't really think of REITs as a way to grow wealth. So, for example, we bought Nvidia at 10. I know it's not at $10 a share, but just hear me out. If we bought Nvidia at 10 and we sold it at 15, that's a great growth investment. REITs do not do that, generally speaking. They invest in real estate so that people who want income from the equity side of the market, from the stock side of the market, can get a little bit better dividend yield than you'd get out of growth stocks or even some value stocks. So we don't go into REITs necessarily for growth, but for income. Now, here is the exception, and this is why I wanted to record today. There is a new category of REITs centered around data centers. And a data center basically holds all that high-end computing power for tech companies. So instead of having to buy the servers and high-end computers that help develop software and all that cybersecurity stuff that we benefit from every day. Companies can rent out space through a data center, and there are REITs now based around that. They've been around for a little while, but I think we're really going to see them take off here as we push further into artificial intelligence, especially with this new administration wanting to make huge investments in AI. REITs, or data center REITs in particular, are a great way to take advantage of the growth in infrastructure around computing power. And I'll tell you what, quantum computing is also going to help and push data center REITs higher. So, like I said, we invest in REITs for income, but in this case, with data center REITs, we are in it for growth. For example, there are three companies or three REITs that I like in particular: VPN, DTCR, and DTST. Those are the ticker symbols. So please do your homework, check them out. And listen to this. The last 12 months, VPN was up 22.89%. It has a dividend yield of only 1.24%, which is extremely low. Again, we're not here for that dividend yield, okay? DTCR was up 19.75% the last 12 months, and it's got a dividend yield of 2.08%. And lastly, DTST was up 46.94%. It outperformed the NASDAQ 100 by quite a bit. And guess what? It does not pay a dividend at all. So we're going to view these data center REITs as a growth vehicle. And again, it's going to continue to expand as the push into artificial intelligence and quantum computing expands. So please take a look. If you're looking for things for the growth side of your portfolio, do not overlook this opportunity to push into REITs. This is a great way to grow that portfolio. Continue to see, especially for you tech investors, I think this is a wonderful addition to whatever it is that you're doing. Hopefully, you're still in chips, you're still in cybersecurity, and of course, software. So, this is a nice addition. I'd like to see my listeners, my clients, my students push into this area after you do some homework. It's not for everybody. It is going to be a little volatile, but I think you will be well rewarded this year, 2025, to be into these data center REITs. Well, you know what, guys? That's all I have to say on that today. Next time, I'm going to reach out about quantum computing, and I know the CEO of NVIDIA made some comments that took these stocks down, like IONQ and a few others. But guess what? Quantum computing is another area we need to seriously take a look at. And of course, we're going to talk about flying cars this year as well, Archer and Joby. Thanks for listening, guys. Please check us out at touchstonefinancialeducation.com. You can listen to this on Apple and Spotify. If you have any questions, just reach out via the website. We will get back to you. Thanks. Have a great day.